Hey there. It's been a couple of weeks since I put anything, so I should put something on again. And what we're going to do tonight are some delicious lamb cutlets. So we're warming up the pan, and we're going to do just a little bit of, that's rock salt. See, rock salt. Some sprigs of rosemary. Okay, we'll get them in, get them on, and we'll just start dropping these in. Okay, piggledy, any way you can get them in. We'll get them all in. $8 cutlets for $10. So we'll pull away a bit because it gets noisy. So yeah, and in there's my steamed veg. It's got to have steamed veg. Beautiful. Anyway, getting noisy again. Better turn it off.